Are you tired of juggling multiple Google Calendars and missing appointments? Learn how to merge them all into one single calendar in under 3 minutes. First, export each calendar you want to merge. Then, import them into your main calendar. I'll show you exactly where to click. First, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Then, from that menu, select Settings to go into the full settings page. Now, scroll down to the My Calendar section and click the calendar you want to merge from. For example, we'll choose Personal Calendar. In that calendar's settings, click Export Calendar to download an ICS file of that calendar. Once the file is downloaded, scroll back up in the left panel and click on Import and Export. Under the Import section, click Select File from your computer. Now, choose the target calendar from the drop-down. For this example, we'll pick the Family Calendar. Then, simply click Import, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.